they flew away all over the place. And this is the beauty of this lake. You see all the birds? We are near the lake. So I am riding on my bicycle and we are going here, so the birds are back again. They are all here. I love you, birds. This is a nice feeling. The moon is there. Do you see the moon? And few birds are coming back to enjoy the swimming in the lake. This is where the birds were sitting, and this is how the big birds are coming. They are the big birds. Thanks for watching. Keep enjoying nature.